Billions of dollars gone in a matter of days. Stock market crashes have wiped out the savings of millions of ordinary people throughout history. But here's what most people never ask. Why does it actually happen? What causes an entire market to collapse? And more importantly, are there warning signs you can spot before it hits? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll understand crashes better than most people ever will. First, let's define what we're actually talking about. A stock market crash is a sudden and severe drop in stock prices across a significant portion of the market. Typically, economists define a crash as a drop of 10% or more in a very short period, sometimes just a few days. But here's what's important to understand. A crash is never just one thing. It's never just one bad news headline. A crash is the result of multiple pressures building up over time, and then something triggers a sudden collapse in investor confidence. Think of it like a dam. The cracks form slowly, but when the dam finally breaks, the flood is sudden and devastating. So what builds those cracks? Let's break down the most common causes. Cause number one, overvaluation. When stock prices rise far beyond what companies are actually worth, the market becomes a bubble. Your investors keep buying not because companies are profitable, but because they expect prices to keep rising. Eventually, reality sets in. Prices correct sharply. This is exactly what happened during the dot-com crash of 2000. Cause number two, rising interest rates. When central banks raise interest rates, borrowing becomes expensive. Businesses earn less. Consumer spending slows. Investors move their money out of stocks and into safer assets like bonds. The result? Stock prices fall, sometimes dramatically. Cause number three, economic shocks. Sometimes an unexpected external event hits the economy hard. A pandemic, a war, a major geopolitical crisis. These events create fear and uncertainty. And in financial markets, fear is incredibly powerful. When investors panic, they sell, and mass selling drives prices down rapidly. Cause number four, excessive debt. When individuals, corporations, or governments carry too much debt, any economic slowdown can trigger a crisis. Loans cannot be repaid. Banks become unstable. Confidence collapses. The 2008 financial crisis is the clearest example of debt-driven destruction in modern history. Cause number five, panic and herd mentality. This is perhaps the most underestimated cause. Markets are driven by human emotion. When people see prices falling, fear takes over. Everyone rushes to sell at the same time. This panic selling accelerates the crash far beyond what the underlying economic data would justify. Now here's the part most channels skip. The warning signs. Before most major crashes, certain patterns tend to appear. Stock valuations become historically high. Investor sentiment becomes extremely optimistic, almost euphoric. Interest rates rise steadily. Economic data starts weakening quietly, and media coverage of the stock market increases dramatically, drawing in inexperienced investors. None of these signs guarantee a crash, but when several of them appear together, history tells us to pay very close attention. Stock market crashes are frightening, but they are also predictable in their patterns and survivable with the right knowledge. The investors who come out strongest are always the ones who understood the risks before the storm arrived. If this video gave you value, please like and subscribe. It genuinely helps this channel grow. And drop a comment below. What financial topic do you want me to cover next? Stay informed. I'll see you in the next one.